only borrowed every step. Neon rivers cross my face, but never asked where I was kept. I close my eyes to finally see. Every second leaves a fingerprint pressed into tomorrow. Even broken pieces shimmer when they stop resisting sorrow. Nothing has to be forever, nothing waits unchanged. Maybe all the beauty lives inside the things that rearrange. Don't wake me, not yet. The air is writing shapes across my skin. One more moment before the world learns my name city still won't know my name. That's alright, I finally do.